So after recalling the memory of this device, okay, what if now I want to delete this, like for example, like we just illustrated now, if you want to recall the last memory of the patient, what you just do, you click on this memory and it will just show. And what if, for example, I don't want to keep this record, I want to get it erased? So what you do, you long press this memory button, and then what you do, it says delete all, then you click on set, delete, done. So now you're set, you have no memory. As you can see, even if I click, it will show it blank. So I have totally erased the memory. So now this is how you delete the previous data of the patient you took with this device.